Good morning. Oh my God, look at my baby. Look at my baby. Sheesh. Why does it keep going back to red? Can you please go back to purple? Anyway, good morning. Look at my baby. We are gonna go to work. Today's the last day at the Kay Bailey Hutchinson Center with Catalyst, and it's been a really good week as a camera operator. Today I am General AV. So we're gonna go tear it down. We're gonna go strikey strike, and it's saying 23 minutes to get there. To get from here to there is 23 minutes. So yeah, that will leave us with 11 minutes to spare. Just enough time for me to chug my energy drink and get to the actual location. So I hope everybody is having a wonderful day. If you guys watch these moto vlogs that I post every day, you're a legend. I haven't really been able to promote them that well because I've been working a lot, but I'm still posting them every day. And even if there's just one person in the chat, if there's one person that actually watches all of these, type in the chat, me. If you watch all of these videos and you're in the chat, why did she ask me to open my visor? That was so awkward. That was such an awkward interaction. Oh yeah, I'm going to this other. That shit's all backed up. That was so fucking awkward, dude. Nice blinker, baby. Was that her way of like saying I was ugly? Oh yeah, I love that I found out about that double intersection yesterday. I found that out. So that shit was backed the fuck up. So I just took the next light. Bro, I feel violated. She basically asked to see my eyes. I showed her my eyes, and she like leaned forward in a gasping way, and then like proceeded to not look at me anymore in like a way that was like, oh yeah, you're not good enough for me to look at. I don't even know how to describe how I felt. I felt violated though. Anyway, if you guys are one of the people that watches all of the videos, type me in the chat so I know. And that only goes for people who like watch it every day, even if I don't promote it. Now, if you're one of the people that watches it every time I send you the link, comment in the chat, comment in the comment section, link. And then if you're seeing this and you watch like a video every once in a while, I'm just trying to feel out my audience so I know what to do better or different, or just keep doing the same. If you just watch every once in a while, whether I send a link or not, go ahead and type in the chat taco. There you go. Now I'll know. Now I'll know my audience. Wow, look at all that gravel. Last night on my way home, so yesterday's video for you guys, the lo-fi one, depending on what order I edit these, but the most previous lo-fi video, I thought I was gonna get pulled over. There was a cop doing a speed trap, and I was only going like 93. So I wasn't going too fast to the point where like, the cop's like, oh, I can't chase him. But I was going fast enough to get a ticket, 93. If I was a cop, I'd be like, oh, he's going 93. He'd run from me. Or no, he wouldn't run from me. If a bike rode by me doing like 120, I'd be like, yeah, I'm not even gonna bother. He's gonna run. Yeah. I didn't get pulled over. That's good. Wow. Do you guys love this or hate this here? I low-key hate it here for the vlogs, but it's a good angle for like Instagram content. I had a dream that I like found the perfect placement for the X4, the 360 cam in front of me right now. I had a dream that I found like the best, most ideal, perfect place aesthetically and quality-wise. And I don't remember in the dream where it was, so who cares? That's a crazy little service road over there. the HOV lane. Some mild traffic this morning. Nothing we can't handle, eh? Maserati. I haven't seen a Maserati in a while in a Saheli. Hit my arms. Still, what's going on with all this debris hitting my arms right now, fool? That shit's not pleasant, fool. What is that, a Toyota? Some of these Toyotas are starting to look a little too fancy, eh? Well, they're fancy, huh? Dude, I'm smelling some green right now. Traffic is looking a little more than mild. It's looking kind of spicy right here. Got some standstill traffic on. words to that song. I don't know the words to like any songs, Chad. I need to get better with lyrics, but you guys know that. I already vent to you guys all the time about that. If you guys are new here to the channel, comment where you're from. If this is your first video, comment first. I'm trying to figure out the demographic on people that do absorb these content videos. These content videos, you know, like the 8 people that will watch the videos no matter what. I'm trying to figure you guys out. Because I see you. The past 2 days I posted the video without promoting it at all. And it still had like 8 views. I see you. I see you, Chad. Because baby, I'm sorry. I'm not sorry. Wow. We did a substantial amount of lane splitting. And 2 minutes of time taken off. They're okay. I want to stop so bad, but I can't be late to work. It's the last day. I woke up on time. Oh shit! What's going on up there? Oh, that's that building. I think this is the building that I told y'all was like broken. I think they're just trying to fix it. Street. Oh, that's the HOV. I think they're just doing construction over there. And then that looks like a Tesla that's like pulled over or something. Anyway. We're here, baby, at the exit for us to be getting on. Hervey Street, baby. Yeah, baby. Had to switch it to the Omni. Because we going to the Omni. I'm not sorry. Bitch, I'm headed to the Omni. That's where I'll be. Starting to like know the area a little better, slightly, not by much. Oh yeah, I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Pretty sure they won't have a breakfast buffet today, but I'll still try. I'll still try to see if they got it going on. I don't know how it went from 8:48 to 8:47. That's actually pretty crazy. Cause baby, I'm sorry. I'm not sorry. Alright, we're here at the Omni, which means I'm gonna be getting inside of this bitch. I'm gonna be going to work, baby. Damn, bro, the fuck is going on up here? How is it more packed here today than it was yesterday? What the fuck? How is it purple now? Bro, I'm not even gonna ask no questions. My lights are purple now. Strange. Alright, well, I'm gonna head to work. Try to run in there, see if there's a couple sausages I could shove down my throat. Extra homo. No homo. And, yeah, dude, what do you guys think that chick meant, bro? What do you think she meant by doing that, bro? Telling me to lift my visor and then go on like, loser. That's what it felt like. She's like, haha, I got you to open up your visor. Loser. I can't wait to see that back in the edit. That's gonna be a funny edit. Watch it be like barely visible and you guys couldn't even like see shit. Like, damn, that sucks. Imagine if this entire video I wasn't even recording.